When most people think of apples, they think of eating them or baking with them. But during the colonial period, most apples were really hard and sour, so they weren't great for eating or baking with, but they were awesome for fermenting into booze. That's why this week we're going to be making a very old-timey cocktail, the Stone Fence, a cocktail that features hard apple cider. From Durham, North Carolina, you're watching Cocktails Under Quarantine. My name is Suzanne. This week we're going to be making a Stone Fence, which is a really old historic cocktail featuring hard cider. So let's get started. We're going to build this in the glass. So we've got our Collins glass, and we're going to fill it with cubed ice. So just fill it up, and then we're going to add an aromatic bitter. We're going to add Peychaud. Sometimes a lot of Stone Fence recipes actually call for Angostura. I'm going to add 2 dashes, but Peychaud is also a really nice, I kind of got it all over the place. That's okay. Peychaud is a really nice aromatic bitters, and I haven't used it. I've been using a lot of Angostura, so let's use Peychaud. And then I'm going to add 2 ounces of spiced rum. This is from TOPO Distillery in Chapel Hill, and the kind folks over there generously provided us with this spiced rum, and it's super delicious, and so thank you, TOPO Distillery. So 2 ounces of spiced rum into the glass we go, and we're just going to give it a little stir just to get the bitters and the rum combined and get our glass cooled. Just going to do that about 10 seconds or so. That might have been less, but you know, that feels good to me. Okay, so we've added our bitters and our rum, and so next we're going to add our hard cider just to top it up. So it's probably about 4 to 6 ounces, and this is Angry Orchard crisp cider. There we go. And just add it in there real gently, just to top it up. Lovely. This is their crisp hard cider. Okay, and we'll just give it a real gentle stir, just to make sure that everything is well combined. And then the garnish is going to be real simple. This is spearmint. It's from my garden. Just give it a little slap to release the oils. And then, I can smell that mint already. I love that. The Stone Fence cocktail, guys. A historic colonial cocktail. Let's take a sip. It's really nice. It's fairly dry, but it's very crisp and refreshing and full of apple flavor, and it's got a little bit of the spice from the spiced rum and the Peychaud bitters, and you get the mint, and yeah, it's really nice and light and refreshing. So I hope that you make a Stone Fence, and let me know what you think in the comments. That's all we have for this week, folks. Thanks for watching. As always, we are on YouTube. We'd love it if you would subscribe, leave comments. We're also on Facebook, so check us out online in multiple places. And as always, stay safe and drink responsibly. This is really nice. Look how pretty this is, guys. The Peychaud really gives this drink this beautiful pink color, and then with the green and the white contrast, it's very pretty. It's dry. It's refreshing. It's got plenty of apple flavor. Yeah. Is that good? All right.